Today we're taking a look at the instrument gauges here in the Astradome. When the car is running, none of the gauges respond except the ammeter, which sticks. So almost for sure the problem lies in the oil pressure gauge, which has the voltage limiter in it. So I am going to get under here and remove the oil pressure gauge. Gonna need better light than that. So I've removed the original oil pressure gauge and I'm going to replace it with a new one. If you don't have a new one, you can send your old one off to Jeff Carter in Washington and he'll rebuild it and send it back good as new. So let's take a look at the new one. They come in this nice cardboard package to protect it. One of the things to check before you install it is see how it aged, because these things can rust. So here's the new one. Just a hint of rust. Let's install it and see if that solves our problems. Well, here's our first test fire. Let's see what we get. Oil pressure gauge moves. Okay. And the temp gauge is coming up. The gasoline gauge is not. Of course, I don't know how much gas is in it. Checking. Should you feel the need to clean the gauges before they go back in, I played around here with some scrap gauges. I used, well, there you go, I used Mother's polish very lightly on this one, but you can see really quickly it turned it into a very shiny surface. This is the kind of surface that you want, and that is just too shiny. Now here's the same surface after just a light coat of wax. While I was out digging around looking for gauges, I happened to come across a partially disassembled Astradome. And one of the things you can tell is that you can't put the wrong gauge in the wrong hole. If you look at the size of the base, and if you look at the mounting holes, they can only go the right way. And I came across one without the Astradome. And underneath it looks the same.